Today, we're going to address a common problem, one that drives me nuts. You probably know somebody who leaves the lights on. A Leviton LTB30 is a perfect fix for this. I have one in my garage and I can't wait to put one in my bathroom. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove this old switch. But before we do that, as always, safety first. We're going to go shut off the power. Let's get started. Find the appropriate breaker and shut the power off. Even though I've shut the power off, I still want to make sure there's no power at the device. Using a handheld tester, I can see that there's no power, so we're good to go. Next, I'm going to take a Phillips screwdriver and begin removing the mounting screws to take the device out. So I've gone ahead and removed my old device. You may see a group of white wires in the back of the box. Don't worry, you won't need to touch these. Next, I'm going to go get my LTB30 for installation. Now I'm going to take my LTB30 and connect my wire leads to my wires in the wall. Now the great thing about the LTB30 that makes it easy for installation is that it doesn't matter which black lead goes to which wire. Your green or ground will go to your bare copper wire or your ground wire in your wall. I'm going to go ahead and take a black lead and taking one of the wire nuts that came with the device, put the wires together, put the wire nut on the ends and twist it clockwise. I've finished putting on my wire nuts. Now, I'm going to take a piece of electrical tape and attach it to my wire nut, wrapping it clockwise around the wires and the wire nut. This will prevent the wire nuts from becoming loose. Next, I'm going to go ahead and bend my wires, pushing them into the wall, and mount my device. There we go. Nice and easy. I'm just putting on the finishing touches to my mounting screws that came with the device. Next, I'm going to go ahead, take our wall plate, put it on. Now you may have noticed that my wall wasn't exactly perfect. That's okay. Leviton actually makes a midway sized wall plate that can cover any imperfections you have in your wall. The last thing we're going to do is go ahead and restore the power. Let's do that right now. Now that we've completed the installation, let's restore the power. Now that I've restored power, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my service switch located at the bottom of the device. Next, I'm going to go ahead and hit one of the timer buttons. Test the timer. Works great. Looks good. Now I just need to do something about the paint on these walls. I'm Gordon. You have a great day.